Introducing Deel IT, the global-first IT solution for equipment and software operations. Made to help teams in over 130 countries get things done around the world effortlessly. It enables any organization to procure, deploy, repair, and recover devices in a few clicks. Getting set up is simple. Just add your team along with your company policies for equipment, apps, and security. Then choose to manage the onboarding process yourself or automate it. Deel IT integrates with any HR system, including Deel's free HRIS. So whenever you hire someone new, their details are synced automatically. In seconds, you can buy or lease their laptop and any other equipment they need. Or let your new hire choose their preferred workspace setup from a personal storefront that's within your policy. And for a smooth deployment and onboarding, preload apps and settings onto any device. Plus, with automated global IT onboarding, you stay updated every step of the way. So your team is set up for success from day one. With Deel IT, you get complete visibility of your devices and software at a global level. You can even track devices you already own or lease from other vendors, along with equipment already in use by team members. If anything happens to your team members' equipment, we have you covered. Our global support team is on hand 24/7 to diagnose problems quickly. And if a device breaks, we'll ship a loaner device within 24 hours to minimize downtime while we handle the repairs, so your team can focus on business as usual. Offboarding team members couldn't be simpler. Select their final day, decide what to do with their equipment, and when that day arrives, remotely lock and wipe the device to protect any sensitive company data. We'll handle all the logistics so you don't have to. Whether you're growing a global team or already supporting one, Deel delivers a complete platform to manage global IT, HR, and payroll all in one place. Head to deel.com/IT to learn more.